On your bed. Sit. 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 I got a couple of dogs, and one of them's pretty big. Meet Hank. Hank the Tank, and that's Holly over there. On your bed. Okay. You wait. I got a large back area that includes them being up on the deck, and the gate was pretty trashed. So I needed to be creative, so I took the time, I took some of the redwood that I've milled up and decided to build a new gate. And I couldn't just make it any old gate, I had to make it with no nails. So it's all mortise and tenon joinery, half laps with through mortises. And I had a lot of fun. It took me most of the weekend to do it. And I'm not much of a carver, but I figured, what the heck, I'm gonna give it a try. And I had a lot of fun putting this gate together and gave it a finish of exterior grade oil stain. I'm pretty proud of it. Came out okay. A little bit more of my carvings there. And that's what it looks like. Had fun with that edge piece there too. Those are the through mortises, the half lap joinery, and the latch that's on there. I think it's going to hold up, and I set it so that the post will stop it and it slides right in. Now, unless expansion and contraction gets in the way, it should hold up. I hope it holds up. Okay.